Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 2 Algebra. Topic Linear Inequalities. Exercise Miscellaneous Examples on Chapter 6. Miscellaneous Examples on Chapter 6. Solve the inequalities in exercises 1 to 6. 1. Here 2 less than or equal to thrice x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. Tam khudingmakta aikoina 4 8 toksilani. 3 na amuk tam khudingmakta yelani, we get this, which gives 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Implies x belongs to closed interval 2 3. Question number 2. Here's this. Minus 3 na divide tarabadi, the sign of inequality is reversed. That is less than or equal to na greater than or equal to all ani. Less than na greater than all ani. Negative number na divide tarabani na. We get minus 2 less than or equal to twice x minus 4 less than greater than minus 4. Plus 4 tam kudimak 8 toxiladi si fangani. Amuksu 2 na divide taragadi 4 minus 2 gidi 2 lare twice x remains unchanged. 4 minus 4 is 0 ni. 2 na divide tarabadi x is lying between 1 and 0. Implies x belongs to open 0 1 close. Intervenous se yaurani. Question number 3. 2 na tam khudimакta puri rabadi, we get minus 6 less than or equal to 8 minus 7x less than or equal to 36. Minus 6 minus 8 tam khudimакta hapsalabadi, first na si phangani, middle na si phangani, minus 8 hapsalabadi 36 minus 8. Sigida minus 14, sigida minus 7x, sigidi 28. Minus 7 na divide taro tam khudimакta sign inequality adu reverse mayon change torani. We get x is lying between 2 2 minus 4. Implies x belongs to closed interval minus 4 2. 4. Inequality as if 5 na both sides puri rabadi, we get this plus 3 tam khudimакta hapsilo, we get this 3 na amuk si simplify to si 3 na divide to si, we get x to interval na sida laire. Implies x belongs to open minus 23 to close. Interval na sida x to yarani machine solution oirani. Number 5. Minus plus 5 na implies to si plus 5 na loina puri rabadi, we get this minus 20 tam khudimакta ke khaido ogana si phange. Simplify to radi si lairani. 3 na divide to rabadi, we get this x to number ani sigi marakta laire. Implies x belongs to open interval minus 80 by 3 minus 10 by 3. Intervenous yaran. Number 6. Intervenous 2 no both side to puri rabadi, we get this minus 11 tam khudimакta tinjalabadi si phangani. Masida muk 3 na divide to rabadi, we get this x to intervenous te laire. Masi interven 1 11 by 3. Intervenous te yaran. Solve the inequalities in exercise 7 to 10 and represent the solution graphically on number line. Inequality anini system ni masdala ribasi ahan basi solve toksi x to solve to na bagi damakta di 1 right thanga khro minus 1 right thanga di khona si phangani amuk 5 na divide to the minus 5 na divide to over the, we get this 5 na divide to this x to minus 5 to ki sawi x to 5 to ki e high badi x is minus 5 5 ki marakta lay on number line. Number line da masibo aikoina minus 5 0 5 hariba number sing si fix oina koina ye ani minus 5 amasu 5 ki maraktu dakan muk hazin singani ball type ta aduga minus 5 ki jaga do di x no oiba yada banina open circle hollow circle aduga 5 ki mapar su hollow circle thangmani atai digit sing integer sing adu di koina reaction be yai asino number line asina magi solution I solve to na bohona si in equation ani si solve to na bagi damak 2 no puri ro si phange 3 no puri ro si phange x to solve to the x na nakal left thamasi constant na right ta thangok thangjin toraga asum x yaw nakal x yaw ani sina right side ama the there is left ta constant ma kaina right ta thame x to solve tawrabadi x less than 7 akon bagisin x greater than -1 machine tai x habadu -1 amasung 7 gi marak leri machine solution ni on number line solution asi number line yekpa tarabadi -1 ne 7 ne ani cd hollow circle thamani atai manungi interior point sing ado integer sing khona mark tarani minus plus 7 gi wang mara number ama ani iramba yai -1 gi makha da su khara pikpa number khara mark taramba yai sina -1 amasung 7 gi marakta darken on singani bold type ta thamani masina -1 less than x less than 7 will represent away -1 is hollow circle 7 is hollow circle. Number 9 in equation inequality and is solved toxi puriro to no puriro x na nakalama da x yaugdabra nakalama da mafam asidasu x na nakalama da x yaugdabra nakalama da asumna solved to rabadi x greater than -5 x greater than 5 anima pusumanbadi x greater than 5 number line da masi asumna represent over yai x greater than 5 ABC number line da 5 to hollow circle ohelani 5 to people number 5 to solve number string integers into plot torani 5 ki hollow circle tamaba matnu right thangbo sing adu khone darken bold type te irani masine x 5 less than x ki solunani number line da represent over number 10 inequality analysis solve toxi constant sing sina puri rock solve to matam da khoina 4x less than or equal to 44 ani subagina -28 less than or equal to 4x 4 na divide torobadi x less than equal or equal to 11 sina -7 less than or equal to 7 ani mapunjhalabadi x abasi -7 ga 11 gi marakta lairi on number line masibu x na -7 su obi x na 11 su obi -7 su dark aduga 11 su dark orani dark circle orani suna bold type irani masina sigi number line da represent over solution asi 11 a solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit karigumba solution ama temperature ani sigi marakta thangwadabani what is the range in temperature in degree Celsius see if the Celsius of Fahrenheit F conversion formula is given by F equal to 9/5 times of C plus 32 karigumba solution ama 68 degree Fahrenheit amasung 77 degree Fahrenheit ki manungda thangwadabani mahaki temperature range adu centigrade degree da hayu Fahrenheit ka centigrade ka leinaba formula ru makhada piri given that 68 F should be lying between 68 and 77 ani si marakta thangwani without degree Fahrenheit yaugdabida but F is equal to 9/5 times of C plus 32 therefore 68 mathaki F asi 9/5 na puriro mathaki F asi kayaga manare magi equivalent value 9/5 C plus 32 thamo 32 sina kal tam kuding makto ki khaido kro 5 na both side to puriro badi we get this 160 sina nakal ani makta ki tam kuding makki ka khaido kra disi phangani amuk 9 divide toragana si phang C have C 20 amasung 25 ki marak level number ni the range of the solution should be kept between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius ani sigi marakta thangmani centigrade degree dani number 12 a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it karigumba 8% boric acid solution amada 2% boric acid solution hapchilaga mahi langtho angadabani the resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid adugumba resulting mixture ado 4% agi henba 6% boric acid tagi pn gadabani if we have 640 liters of the 8% solution how many liters of the 2% solution would have to be added 8% boric acid solution adugi liters is 640 lay 2% boric acid solution ka masing kaya hapsin gadagi waduguma masing do x ne hane lokselasi let x liters of 2% boric acid solution be added the total mixture de hane 640 lare x ama hapsaladi x plus 640 liters lare then 2% of x plus 8% of 640 should be greater than 4% of x plus 640 and the 2% of x plus 8% of 640 should be less than 6% of x plus 640. Haribasing 600 na purirabadi, we get this inequality sa pangani. Matang I x to solve torasi. X to 1280 greater than x and the 320 less than x. Sinatai x to 320 amaso 128 anigi 0 gi marakta thamani. Thus, the number of liters of 2% boric acid solution would have to be more than 320 liters but less than 1280 liters. Adugumba 2% boric acid solution ki liter masing si pick labada mo chawrabada 320 liters aduga 1280 liters taki pick kadabani. 13. How many liters of water would have to be added to 1125 liters of the 45% solution of acid so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid contained? Let x liters of water would have to be added. X liters of water do hapsin gadabani haine loksilasi. Then total mixture di hanagi 1125 liters of 45% solution of acid lelamle x to mag absolute sin lerani. By question, ising the d acid 0% is 0% of x plus 45% of 1125 liters should be greater than 25% of x plus 1125 and 0% of x plus 45% of 1125 should be less than 30% of x plus 1125. Harib inequality ani se solve to 100 na both side puriro animakta. We get this amuksu 25 na divide to the si phange sida mu 5 na divide to the si phangani. Numbers x to solve to robadi 900 x to ani subagi di x should be greater than 562.5. Sinatai x to number ani sigi marak to lairani. Thus, the number of liters of water would have to be added more than 562.5 liters but less than 900 liters. Adugumba isingi liter masing adu anisigi marakta thamgadabani. 14. IQ of a person is given by the formula IQ equal to MA by CA into 100, where MA is mental age and CA is chronological age. If IT less than or equal to IQ less than or equal to 140 for a group of 12 years old children, find the range of their mental age. Makoi ki mental age ki range kaya. Here IQ is this and the IQ is lying between IT and 140. Therefore, IT IQ ki equivalent value special ani asum phange 100 na divide tokthokro masi 10 na divide tokthokro si phangani. When chronological age is 12 C at the 12 special we get this masi simplify toro 12 na puriro we get this 10 na amu divide toro this maintain s to number ani sige marakta lairani. Thus, the range of maintained age is lying between 9.6 years and 16.8 years. Sahi ani sige marakta lairani angang singdugi maintained age ki range aso picture sige marakta lairani. Thank you for watching video.